Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today I have released a tool with which you can calculate moving averages and make buy or sell decisions with it if you are interested in that sort of thing. If you have been following recent videos, I have showed how you can use this double moving average idea where I take 6-month moving average, 12-month moving average, and you buy either Sensex or gold or small cap mutual funds when the 6-month moving average is greater than the 12-month moving average, and that's when the buy indicator is 1 here, and when the 6-month moving average falls below the 12-month moving average, the buy indicator becomes 0, and you pull out of Sensex, small cap funds, or gold. And I've showed that it's been a reasonable way to reduce risk, and if you're lucky, sometimes get higher returns. So this is an Excel tool that you can use to do several things. The first thing is that you can calculate the daily. You can, if you go to the NSE website, get the daily index and paste it into this sheet, and use a macro button. It will automatically convert it into monthly averages. You can do the same with daily NAV of mutual funds. There's a link in the sheet that tells you how to do it. There's a free tool that's linked in the sheet, and also there's a free tool for getting stock price data, individual stock price data, if you are interested. So the tool is priced at ₹1,000, but you can get it at an introductory discount of 50% for ₹500 for the next few days. I will include the link, this article link, in the description, and in the first comment you can use that to get the tool if you are interested. Please be sure to read the all the previous articles, watch the previous videos on gold, Sensex, small cap, and gilt mutual funds, and then decide if this is what you want to do. There is a lengthy warning and disclaimer for the tool. You will have to before you buy, you will have to read the warning and disclaimer. Please recognize this is not for everybody. If this is something that you want to do, and if you want to if you understand how to do it, then and only then this is for you. Please be sure to read the full disclaimer before you make the purchase. So what can this tool do? And I'm just going to show you the features. So as usual, like with all the screener sheets, this tool also has a discounted offer on my lectures on goal-based portfolio management. These lectures are held in our exclusive Facebook group. We have more than 6,600 people in that Facebook group. So you can join the Facebook group with ₹1,000 off. That's a 39% discount on the full price of 2,570. You can get that offer inside the sheet. So you can, like I said, you can take the daily data from NSE, mutual fund NAV, or stocks. The links are provided within the sheet. You can take that, you can extract the data using those linked sheets, copy paste it in. For example, in this screenshot, you see column A and B. If you copy paste it here and click on this convert daily to monthly data, it will take you to this sheet where it gives you the monthly data. And you can, this is a single moving average. You can enter any moving average you want, monthly moving average, 1 month, 18 months, 24 months, whatever you want, and it'll give you the buy sell indicator. You can use this to find out how many transactions you will be making over a given period. It will also calculate automatically the 6-month and 12-month moving average and tell you the buy sell signal, as I just mentioned previously. Also, for Sensex data, I have directions on how to get the monthly data, but up to June 2020, the monthly data is already keyed inside the sheet, and the buy sell signals using the 6 and 12 monthly moving averages are also in there. Similarly, for gold, I show you how to get the gold monthly data, and also the gold monthly data up to June 2020 is already keyed into the sheet. For gilts, we cannot use the gilt NAV or the gilt index price. We have to use the gilt yield data. From there, you have to calculate the bond PE. Already up to June 2020, the data is available, but I show you how to get future yield data and enter it, and then it will automatically generate the bond PE and calculate the 6 and 12 months buy sell signals. There is a demo video in the article that is also on YouTube, but it's a private video. But this is now a public demonstration. So at the end of the article, you can get the link to get it on a ₹50 off discount. So if this tool is suitable for you, if the features are agreeable with you, please investigate on your own and buy it if you are interested. After a few days, I'll be removing the 50% off offer, and it will revert back to 1000 rupees then. Bye bye.